Now, talking about the first module, right? Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services overview, right? So we talked about what is Informatica Cloud as a tool and all, right? So there would be like few concepts offered by Informatica Cloud, and as I said, like we will keep on comparing Informatica Power Center and Informatica Cloud, wherever we could for a certain concepts, right? So there are some brand new concepts in Informatica Cloud which were not there in Power Center. For example, we have processes like data replication, data synchronization, right? So what is data replication? Whenever we have a requirement to pull the data from relational or Salesforce sources, right? These systems, and then we have like multiple objects from which we need to pull the data, mostly as is, right? Then rather than creating a mapping, we can create a synchronization task, right? So for example, just consider that I do have to create a customer portal which is my end product, right? And then for that I do have multiple sources, and few of them are relationals and Salesforce, right? So whenever I want to pull data, right, from any source, and then whenever I put that data into landing layer, the expectation would be that data has to be like as is. Whatever form of data is there in the source, same form of data I'll pull in my landing layer, and then in upcoming layer like landing to staging and all, I'll convert the data, I'll transform the data, right? But then initially it should be as is, right? So for that, say for example I do have 10 oracle tables, right, and I want to fetch data into respective 10 tables in my landing layer. So for that matter, if I create mappings, the easiest solution will be create 10 simple mappings and pull the data over, right? But then concept like replications, right, this will allow us to create a single replication task, and then we will be able to pull data from homogeneous sources in a single one, right? So if it is about the multiple tables in the same database, right, in that case I can create a single replication task, and then using that I can copy data from n number of tables to n number of tables across source and landing layer. So for that, the replication concept is like really useful, right? So that is what the replication is. Again, this is something on high levels, right? We will talk about replication task in detail in the module number 4, right? Practically. And then synchronization, right? Process or object synchronization is whenever we have to sync the data across two entities. Maybe it is a relational table to relational table, or a file to table, table to file, or Salesforce for that matter, table to Salesforce, or vice versa, right? Whenever I want to maintain that sync of the data, with respect to different operations like insert, update, upsert, delete, right? So for that matter, I can create a synchronization task, right, which will again give me those features, right, which operation I want to choose, right? Say for example, whenever a particular data gets inserted in the source table, same data should be populated into my target table, right? So we can go for synchronization task with a insert operation. If my requirement is like insert up and update both, right, then I can configure that synchronization task accordingly, right? So for that matter, right, we will use the data synchronization task. So apart from normal mappings and transformations, we have a lot of other tasks offered by Informatica Cloud, and then using those we can create those ETLs, and then those would be more cost effective than a simple Informatica Cloud mapping. Right, so those are the concepts. Talking about Informatica Cloud applications, I'll just log in now into Informatica Cloud and I'll navigate through. I'll walk you through the different services and different tabs and all. And about the key terms, right? So key terms is something we can't cover in just first session or something. I don't have like bunch of key terms, and key term as in like wherever we use what is the best practice, right? So if I'm creating a replication task, how I can name my replication task, which what is the prefix or a suffix by which we will start naming it. Then Whenever I'm creating a replication task, what should be the target table name, right? Do we have any best standards or best practices, right? So all those things we are going to discuss across several modules, right? So it is not the job of a day or so, right? We will keep on discussing and we will keep on comparing the power center to cloud, right? So that you can relate it quickly, and accordingly it would be very easy for you to kind of process or proceed with that, right? So that is how our first module is about whole theoretical topics and all, right?